Are you installing a new touchless kitchen faucet and feeling confused by all the wires and hoses? Don't worry, it's much easier than it looks. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, I will show you how to install the Pfister Raya pull-down kitchen faucet with touch-free technology step by step in a simple and safe way. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. First, wear safety glasses. Turn off the hot and cold water valves under your sink. Now, remove the quick connect assembly from the spray hose and keep it safe. You will need it later. Also, unscrew the hose guard and save it. Check your sink hole carefully. Make sure there are no sharp edges that could damage the hoses. If your sink has one hole, use the single post mounting ring with the foam side down. If your sink has multiple holes, use the deck plate to cover the extra holes. Feed the hoses, data cable, and faucet shank down through the mounting hole. Step 2. Mount. Go under the sink. Slide the horseshoe bracket onto the metal shank, bumpy side facing up. Before tightening, check that the faucet is straight and properly aligned. Now screw on the mounting nut and tighten it using the quick install tool included in the box. Finally, twist the hose guard back onto the shank. Your faucet body is now secure. Step 3. Connect. Now it's time to connect the control box. First, connect the data cables labeled 1. Align the arrows and tighten the screw cap. Next, attach the saved hose connector to the spray hose. Push the hose into the control box port labeled 2 until you hear a click. Then connect the faucet hose to port 3, push until it clicks into place. Insert the batteries into the battery box and close the lid. Connect the power cables labeled 4. Stick the battery box to the cabinet wall. Make sure the wire has some slack and is not stretched tight. Step 4. Supply. Before connecting the water lines, check that the rubber gasket is inside the hose. Use adjustable wrenches to connect the water supply lines. Hot water connects to the left inlet. Cold water connects to the right inlet. Connect firmly, but do not over-tighten. Over-tightening can damage the lines. If you are installing the soap dispenser, insert it into the countertop hole, secure it underneath with the wing nut, attach the soap bottle, and fill it with liquid soap. Pump a few times until soap comes out. Step 5. Test. Now turn the hot and cold water valves back on under the sink. Check all connections carefully. If you see any dripping, turn off the water and tighten slightly. Remove the spray head. Move the faucet handle to the on position. Wave your hand within 3 inches of the sensor and let the water run for about 15 seconds to flush the lines. Switch from cold to hot to flush both sides. Screw the spray head back on. Test the spray and stream buttons to make sure everything works smoothly. And that's it! Your touch-free kitchen faucet is now fully installed and ready to use. Take your time, double-check for leaks, and always avoid over-tightening connections. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more simple plumbing guides. See you in the next video.